Hi folks, quick video. If you have been watching my videos before, you may know how much I love this stuff, which is garlic. And if you look at my garlic, I buy my garlic whole bulbs, but I buy them individually so that I can make sure that I get a really good quality garlic. Look how red that is, fantastic. But I want to show you guys the fastest and the easiest way to roast garlic. So first thing you need to do is you need to break your bulb up into individual cloves, and then over to the air fryer. I know I've also spoken a lot about the air fryer. This one I got from Kmart, cost me $69, and guess what? You can cook and roast your garlic in your air fryer. You put it on 200 degrees, which is 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and it takes, that's it, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes roasted to perfection. Ooh, still hot. Ooh, roasted to perfection, burning my fingers. 5 minutes to roast your garlic. Do I love the air fryer? Oh yes, I do.